Hello everyone. Today I will demonstrate how to perform searches in EBSCO Discovery Search. We'll be using search functions, keywords, and filters in order to narrow our results down to literature that's available to you through the Learning Resource Center and SCUHS. So we're going to begin by going to myscu.edu and logging in with our credentials. And logging in at this point ensures that you'll have access to our subscription resources. And by the way, I will be including a transcript of this recording with links to all the sites we'll be visiting. So once you've logged in successfully to MySCU, just go down on the right-hand side of the page and click on Learning Resource Center. So we're now at the Learning Resource Center LibGuide, or the library webpage, if you will. And as I mentioned, we're going to be using Discovery Search today. So we'll be accessing our databases. You'll want to hover over the collection tab and go down to the third link, databases. It's going to give you a list of our databases, not our complete databases, but our most popular databases. Discovery Search is at the very top of the list because this is an all-inclusive search engine for the resources that we subscribe to through the university. So if searches are performed in the Discovery Search database, it will provide users with direct access to full text resources from about 95 managed databases and over 10,000 journals. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on Discovery Search. So this is the search interface for Discovery, and it looks really similar to other search engines, but it provides multiple search fields. And it's important to note that this sort of database does not use natural language like Google or other popular search engines. So to get the best results, break your search down into keywords related to things such as conditions, populations affected by conditions, treatments, outcomes. Whenever possible, if you begin typing in a term and it appears in the drop-down list, select the suggested term from that list. This will broaden our search results. So for my first term, I'm going to select acupuncture. And from the drop-down, I'm going to select acupuncture or acupuncture therapy or acupuncture treatment. For my second term, I'm going to enter keyword arthritis. And from the drop-down list, I'm going to select arthritis or osteoarthritis or rheumatoid arthritis. For my third term, I'm going to enter something a little bit more vague. I'm going to select outcomes. And what I want to select from the drop-down is outcomes or benefits or effects. So this is our results page, and as you can see, we have 51,640 results. At this point, we want to limit our results based on relevancy and availability. So we're going to use filters, which can be found on the left side of the screen under Refine Results. And the first filters that we want to apply will be full text and scholarly peer-reviewed journals. Choosing these two options ensures that our results are available through SCU subscription databases and that they meet certain academic peer review standards. And as you can see, it reduced our results down to 21,568. We also want to ensure relevance by limiting the publication dates. Please note that instructors will often determine acceptable date ranges depending on the course you're taking, but for today's demo, I just limited the dates from 2014 to 2022. So we're down to 12,167 results, and this is still a huge number of abstracts to parse and analyze. So at this point, you might want to consider adding terms to your search or applying more filters to further narrow your results. At this point, I'm going to move on and demonstrate how to access full text articles. So since you've selected the full text filter, the results should point to a web-based version of the full article, a PDF version, or a link out to full text finder. If the article is available via the full text finder, please be aware that you're going to be directed to an outside source, and you'll have to search around the page for the PDF download link. please be aware that if we do not have the full text, you can also request articles via interlibrary loans. Thank you for your time, and I hope this demonstration has been helpful.